Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flowerlace motif. This is so pretty, so gorgeous and very easy to make. I made this beautiful table runner by using this pattern. You can see how gorgeous it is. For this tutorial, we need 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissors and some yarn. For any kind of lace motif, I think thin yarn is most appropriate. So let's start with magic circle. Then make chain of 4. This will be our first double treble crochet. After that, make 3 half double treble crochet in the circle. Then join them together. Again, chain 8 and make 1 double treble crochet in the circle. Again, chain 7. Then make 4 half double treble crochet in the circle. Join them together. Again, chain 8. And 1 double treble crochet. Chain 7. Four half double treble crochet. Join them together. Chain 8. One double treble crochet. Chain 7. 4 half double treble crochet. Join them together. Chain 8, and last one double treble crochet, chain 7, and join with the first stitch. Like that, first round is finished. After that, make 4 slip stitch in chain 8 space. Then make chain 5, then 2 half double treble crochet in 1 double treble crochet space. Join them together. Again, chain 5, again 2 half double treble crochet in the same space. Join them together and chain 5. Make a single crochet in chain 7 space. Again, chain 5, and make a single crochet in chain 8 space. Again, chain 5, to half double treble crochet in 1 double treble crochet space. Join them together, chain 5, 2 half double treble crochet in the same space. Complete the round following the same sequence. End of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. And cut the yarn. Our flower lace motif is ready. Now I will show you how to join two flower lace motifs together. After completing the first round, we have to make chain of 5. Then make 2 half double crochet in 1 double crochet space. Then make chain 2. Now we are in the first corner of the motif. Now take a prepared motif and then make a slip stitch in the corner of the motif. Again chain 2. Then make 2 half double crochet in the previous motif. Then chain 2. Slip stitch in the chain 5 space. Chain 2. Slip stitch in the chain is 8 space. Again chain 2. Slip stitch in the chain 5 space. Chain 2. Slip stitch in the chain is 8 space. Again chain 2. Slip stitch in the chain 5 space. Chain 2. We are in the 1 double crochet space. Now make 2 half double crochet and join them together. Then make chain 2. Now we are in the second corner of the motif. Make single crochet in the corner of the completed motif. Chain 2. Complete the round following previous sequence. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe.